From running survivors to forgotten barn finds, these 20 classic cars prove you don't need a huge budget to find your next vintage project. Let's check them out. Number 1. 1977 Ford Thunderbird. Priced at $3,000, this 1977 Ford Thunderbird is located in Barnesville, Ohio. Showing 60,000 miles, it is powered by a 351 modified V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Several mechanical updates have already been completed, including new tires, fuel line, fuel pump, updated fuel tank, Edelbrock carburetor, ignition components, and gauges. According to the seller, the Thunderbird runs and drives well and handles smoothly. It does have some rust. The original dash gauges stopped working and were replaced with auxiliary gauges, and the exterior paint has been stripped in places. Overall, it appears to be a usable classic that still has a few cosmetic issues to address. Number 2. 1965 Ford Galaxy 500. Offered for $2,500, this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 is located in Newnan, Georgia. Showing 66,000 miles, the four-door sedan retains its original 352 FE V8 and automatic transmission. A new set of smooth steel wheels is also included with the sale. The seller describes it as an all-original project car that previously ran and drove before being taken apart. It has some rust, but is considered solid overall, and it is being sold with a bill of sale only, making it a restoration project that will require additional work before returning to the road.
Number 3. 1973 Pontiac Catalina. This 1973 Pontiac Catalina is listed for $3,000 in Bay City, Michigan. Showing 48,000 miles, it features a 400 V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, and matching burgundy exterior and interior. The seller reports that the Catalina runs and drives very well, with good brakes, quiet exhaust, good shocks, and a comfortable ride. New Michelin tires have also been installed, making this one of the more road-ready classics in the group. Number 4. 1963 Ford Galaxy Elegant. Priced at $2,100, this 1963 Ford Galaxy Elegant is located in Chicago, Illinois. Showing 79,000 miles, it is equipped with an automatic transmission and remains a complete vintage sedan. According to the seller, the car runs and drives, but it currently has no working brakes and will need to be transported by trailer. Aside from the brake issue, very little additional information is provided, so buyers should expect to inspect the vehicle thoroughly.
Number 5. 1978 Toyota Corolla Liftback. Offered for $3,000, this 1978 Toyota Corolla Liftback is located in Chicago, Illinois. Although the listing header mentions an automatic transmission, the seller states the car is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It shows 25,000 miles and includes a title. The seller says the Corolla runs and drives great with a good engine, transmission, clutch, brakes, and tires. No leaks are reported, making it one of the strongest running vehicles in this collection based on the information provided. Number 6. 1965 Ford Falcon. Listed for $3,000, this 1965 Ford Falcon is located in Springfield, Missouri. Showing 57,406 miles, it is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine backed by an automatic transmission and is described as an original survivor. The Falcon runs and drives after receiving extensive suspension, steering, and engine work over the past few years. The interior has largely been restored, although the new headliner still needs installation, and the body shows some hail damage while the glass remains in good condition. Number 7. 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. This 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger is available for $3,000 in Newark, Ohio. Showing 90,000 miles, it is powered by a slant-6 engine with an automatic transmission and comes with a clear title. The seller states the Dart runs, drives, and stops, and many components have already been replaced, including the fuel system, cooling system, suspension parts, wiring, and ignition components. It still needs bodywork, a hood, and several exterior pieces, but it appears to be an honest project with a solid frame and many included parts. Number 8. 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Lakewood. Priced at $2,600, this 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Lakewood is located in Kansas City, Missouri. This station wagon is described as a complete project and includes a box of spare parts, along with a rare gasoline heater. The seller says the car previously ran and drove, but carburetor problems currently prevent it from running. It has rust, patched floor sections, no brakes, and no title, although the glass, lights, and radio are reported to be in working condition.
Number 9. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Offered for $2,150, this 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is located in Millen, Georgia. Showing 100,000 miles, it is equipped with a straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The Mustang does not run and is being sold strictly as a restoration project. The seller notes rust is present, and the car comes with no title, only a Georgia bill of sale, so both mechanical work and paperwork should be expected. Number 10. 1955 Plymouth Plaza. Listed for $3,000, this 1955 Plymouth Plaza is located in Valparaiso, Indiana. Showing approximately 35,000 original miles, it is powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission and has recently received extensive brake and fuel system service. According to the seller, the Plymouth runs, drives, shifts, and stops, but it is not yet considered roadworthy. It still needs tires, front floor pans, and a few finishing details, although replacement floor pans are included. With a clear title and a largely complete condition, it appears to be a realistic restoration project that is already well on its way.
Number 11. 1979 Toyota Corolla Deluxe Sedan 4D. Offered for $2,400, this 1979 Toyota Corolla Deluxe Sedan 4D is located in Fuquay Varina, North Carolina. It is powered by a 2TC engine and has been upgraded with a Weber carburetor, long tube headers, an aluminum radiator, hood pins, aftermarket mirrors, and several other improvements over the years. The seller explains that the Corolla is not currently running, although it does have spark and the carburetor is not stuck. The fuel in the tank is old, and the exact reason it will not start has not been determined. The body has surface rust from spending some time outdoors, with additional rust reported in the trunk area. The tires still hold air, the brakes are not seized, and the car rolls freely. Overall, this is an honest project that was previously driven regularly before being parked. With a clear title and several useful upgrades already installed, it offers a realistic starting point for someone willing to diagnose the remaining mechanical issue. Number 12. 1977 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T S Convertible 2D. Priced at $4,300, this 1977 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T S Convertible 2D is located in Martin, Tennessee. Showing 99,500 miles, it has a manual transmission and is presented as a vintage convertible with 2 previous owners. According to the seller, the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires are all in good mechanical condition. No major drivetrain problems are mentioned. The primary work involves replacing the canvas convertible top and addressing a few cosmetic details to improve the overall appearance of the car. Overall, this Beetle appears to be a usable driver rather than a full restoration project. Most of the remaining work is cosmetic, making it one of the more complete vehicles in this group.
Number 13. 1973 Chevrolet C20. Listed for $2,200, this 1973 Chevrolet C20 is located in Braunston, Kentucky. Showing 86,000 miles, the truck is equipped with a 350 V8, automatic transmission, and comes with a good title. The seller states the truck runs and drives, but it currently runs rich and occasionally backfires. A tune-up and carburetor rebuild are recommended. The truck still uses its original style points ignition system, and the carburetor has already been cleaned in an attempt to correct the fuel issue.
Overall, this C20 appears to be a straightforward mechanical project. It remains drivable, but some engine tuning will likely be needed before it performs at its best. Number 14. 1965 Ford Thunderbird Landau. Offered for $3,000, this 1965 Ford Thunderbird Landau is located in Ashland, Virginia. Powered by a 390 FE V8 with an automatic transmission, it is being sold because the owner no longer has the time or space to finish the project. The seller reports that the engine runs and idles smoothly, the carburetor was rebuilt last year, and the transmission shifts into gear after receiving a transmission service. Nearly the entire braking system has been replaced, including the master cylinder, rotors, calipers, and rear brake shoes. However, the brakes still need to be bled, and the fuel system should be inspected because the engine has been running from a temporary fuel tank. Overall, this Thunderbird has already received a considerable amount of mechanical work. Although it must be trailered home, it appears to be a solid project with a straight body, no frame rust, new wheels and tires, and a title in hand.
Number 15. 1968 Ford LTD. Priced at $3,000, this 1968 Ford LTD is located in Constantine, Michigan. Showing 13,000 miles, it is powered by a 390 big block V8 backed by an automatic transmission and is described as a clean barn find. According to the seller, the car runs and drives after spending more than 30 years in storage. Even so, trailering it home is recommended until it has been fully inspected. The body is described as very clean with minimal rust, making it a promising candidate for restoration or preservation. Overall, this LTD appears to be a solid survivor that needs additional recommissioning rather than a complete rebuild. At the moment, the seller is still working on obtaining a title. Number 16. 1937 Buick Special Model 40. Listed for $3,000, this 1937 Buick Special Model 40 is located in Endicott, New York. It is equipped with a straight-8 engine and a manual transmission, preserving its original pre-war drivetrain. The seller states that the engine runs, and the car has been driven a short distance after bypassing the starter. Video proof of its starting and moving is also available. A complete replacement wiring harness valued at approximately $1,100 is included, but the wiring still needs to be installed. Diagrams are also provided to assist with the work. Overall, this Buick is an older restoration project that already demonstrates running capability. The remaining electrical work appears to be one of the main tasks before it can be put back into more regular use. Number 17. 1973 Chevrolet K10. Offered for $1,250, this 1973 Chevrolet K10 is located in Decatur, Tennessee. It is powered by a 305 V8 with an automatic transmission and is being sold as either a repair project or a parts truck. The seller says the engine will run, the transmission engages properly, and the transfer case functions as expected. However, the rear axle is broken, the front drive shaft is missing, and the truck has rust and body dents. Because of those issues, it will need to be towed. Overall, this K10 is not road ready, but does include a title. It is best suited for someone looking for a drivetrain project, a restoration challenge, or useful parts.
Number 18. 1954 Ford Custom Line. Priced at $2,400, this 1954 Ford Custom Line is located in Ann Arbor, Michigan. It is powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission and has recently been pulled from long-term barn storage. The seller reports that the engine turns over freely, but the starter currently needs rebuilding before the car can be started again. Most of the trim, interior components, seat frames, and the original brass keys are still included. Rust is present in a few areas, but the overall body is described as fairly solid. Overall, this custom line appears to be a complete restoration project with a clean title. Its completeness and largely intact condition provide a good foundation for someone planning a full rebuild. Number 19. 1963 GMC 1500 Club Coupe Lark. Listed for $2,000, this 1963 GMC 1500 Club Coupe Lark is located in Bolivar, Missouri. The seller explains that the vehicle was already on the property when it was purchased and has very little history available. It is described as an automatic four-door powered by an V8 engine, and the keys are still with the vehicle. No information is provided regarding whether the car runs or drives, so its mechanical condition should be considered unknown. Overall, this is a project being sold without a title. Anyone interested should expect to inspect the vehicle thoroughly and research the paperwork before beginning any restoration. Number 20. 1979 Ford F-250 Regular Cab Long Bed. Offered for $900, this 1979 Ford F-250 Regular Cab Long Bed is located in New Market, Alabama. Showing 57,735 miles, it is a two-wheel drive pickup equipped with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the truck needs a replacement gas tank, possible wiring repairs, and a new battery before any attempt is made to return it to service. The original title has been lost, although the seller notes that a bill of sale is available. It is being offered as either a parts truck or a restoration project. Overall, this is an inexpensive project with several mechanical needs already identified. Buyers should expect additional inspection and repairs before determining whether it is best restored or used as a donor vehicle. Thanks for watching. Which classic would you rescue first? Share your favorite in the comments, and if you enjoy honest classic car finds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.